I'm in Skansen Museum, an open-air museum here in Stockholm, and I'd like to bring you along to the children's zoo. In case you're planning to come here with your little ones and you want to have a sneak peek, I just did another video on the rest of the Skansen animals. Feel free to have a look at that one. Otter, first on the list. A lot of ice. We're here in January. Oh, here we go. Good spot. Over here. She just crossed. She just crossed, and she was a very fast crosser. Oh yeah. Yeah. We have the staff coming over, and unfortunately they stormed off. So across Skansen you'll see a lot of very authentic buildings, a lot of nature. If you're here in the winter, a lot of ice. Seals. There we are. The dress for the weather. We have special shoes, such as walking shoes that also have the snow contact, and trousers, thermal trousers that can keep you warm up to -30, as well as merino wool leggings. So animals, however, don't need that. Look at those lovely sheep. It appears that we may have a school group here.
Arthur, håll i vagnen kompis så vi kan få kolla på fåren. Håll, här.
Skansen is made out of several different parts to it. Well, first of all, we went through the sort of natural village, or how things would have been back in 1830s, 1840s, and the staff inside of these houses were very helpful and talked a lot about how life looked like back in 1840s. And we went to like a pharmacy, as well as the bakery, as well as other few places like so, and I will also most likely take a video of that. Smells like goat, no? I know it's gonna be a bizarre thing to say. Yeah. Just a frozen lake. Oops. There is the, you know, that feeling you get when you're about to slip nicely on your back and hit the ice with your head. But it haven't happened. Oh, yet. Well, is this the end of the children's zoo? I don't know. I am not sure. But it was a very small little flavor. We can see, I believe there is more around, which is suggested there on the board. And I thought, ooh, we have more ice, more very, very slippy ice. It definitely gives off a village vibe, natural living, nice amount of nature. Just before I finish the video, I want to note a couple of things. Given that it's January now, yeah, and Skansen is only open for 5 hours a day, summertime and spring would look very different in here. I would say that you would have more animals. First of all, some animals are essentially in their sheds, and the bear is sleeping the winter sleep. So just a couple of sort of very natural things. I know that now you can see a lot of, almost like empty enclosures, but they're not empty. The animals are just somewhere in the warmth, really. And we can see the sheep are right there. And would I repeat the visit here in the winter? I would certainly repeat it, because it's a very nice walk. You also get to see the animals. You get to chat with the staff about sort of the natural living back in 1840s, 1850s. So you really leave enriched with knowledge, and you're getting the walk in as well. The cost to go in is 220 Swedish krona for the adult, which is around 19 to 20 euros, and that's in the January. Thank you very much for watching, and look after yourself. Bye bye.